Hi, welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to make money online with freelance writing. If you're someone who loves writing and wants to earn money from it, then this video is for you. In this video, we'll show you how to set up your portfolio and profile, find clients, and start making money through freelance writing. The first step to making money through freelance writing is to create an online portfolio and profile. This is where you can showcase your writing skills, your areas of expertise, and your previous work. Your portfolio should be well organized, visually appealing, and easy to navigate. There are many ways to find clients for freelance writing. You can start by searching job boards like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr. You can also use social media platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook to connect with potential clients. And don't forget about attending networking events, both online and in person, to meet potential clients. Once you've found potential clients, it's time to pitch your services and negotiate rates. Your pitch should be well crafted, concise, and tailored to the client's needs. And when it comes to negotiating rates, make sure you know your worth and don't undervalue yourself. And that's it. You now have a step-by-step guide on how to make money online with freelance writing. Remember, it's never too late to start. If you want easy ways to make money fast without prior experience, check the link in the comment. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to receive more.